Good morning. I am sitting here drinking, not coffee, this is carrot juice. And I took a swig of it. I love carrot juice. I used to do a lot of juicing back in the day. And I took a I took a drink of this and I was like, wow. It said organic carrot juice. Well, the ingredients is carrot juice and lemon juice. So I guess like, wow, wasn't expected that. So anyway, let me show you what I'm having for breakfast today. So I am finishing off some beef jerky. I've got a little piece of Gouda cheese, smoked Gouda. I don't really like just plain Gouda, but I love smoked. And I bought them in slices. And a few cashews. And these are that dried mango that I got at Aldi. And I bought this little bitty thing for our picnic the other day of fig jam. I'm going to put that on that cracker right there. And that's going to be my breakfast today. So today we have another adventure. Don't we, Sammy? We're going to see a big ship. Yeah, we're going to go see that USS Lexington in Corpus Christi. That's pretty good jam. I wouldn't say it's jam. I'd say it's jelly, but it's good. Not sure what we're going to do after that. If anything at all. I might not. But we're probably not going to leave here till about 10 or 10:30. So, you should see Sam. She is all into... She says, can I have... Hey! She wants my cheese. Oh, and that beef jerky. Of course, the wind is bad again. Anytime we get on the ocean, I have to put music to it. But there is the USS Lexington. Well, I barely get it in the whole frame. Okay, we came up 3 flights of stairs. Going to the flight deck. This is tour 1. No. This F-14A Tomcat was used in the filming of the 1986 movie Tom Cruise. Top Gun starring Tom Cruise. Oh, and didn't Val Kilmer just pass away? Oh. Goose. So, oh, did you see that dolphin? There's a truck camper way down there. Little bitty. There is a third one coming. This is the aircraft restoration area. How cool is that? Decided we were going to ride the way down instead of walking this time. So we are at Oshi Ramen and Poke.
Just when you said you couldn't
Can have
any
more sushi. We're having sushi. Well, I might not have sushi. I might have something else.
Yeah.
Okay, we're having spring rolls and some kind of sushi for an appetizer. And then I think I'm going to get a bento box. I'm going to try this chicken katsu. And it comes with broccoli, zucchini, carrot, squash, onion, and jalapenos in a special sauce. With soup, miso soup, or salad. Yum. Making my mouth water. Salad. soup. That is a big roll.
That is. It's beautiful too.
That is beautiful.
Spicy tuna.
Spicy tuna.
Deep fry the rice.
Say that again.
It's a crispy rice appetizer, and you get the rice is deep fried. And then you can have spicy tuna or spicy salmon, and I did the spicy tuna. It's beautiful.
That's plate number 2. There's 4 of those. I do want to try this
You
one
have
with
it.
well, I'm going to cut it in half.
No, you're not. You're
But it's
have the
gonna-
cream.
Because it's fried, the rice is fried. So
Yes.
that's interesting.
Yes.
And that salad dressing, I don't know what it is, but it's really, really good. It's kind of sweet. Carrot, very good. So let me tell you about this. This is the chicken katsu. And I guess that's the katsu sauce. Comes separately. Yummy veggies with sauce on it. And I got some fried rice. And did I tell you I was already full? Yeah, I'm gonna have leftovers again.
Dinner.
I have breakfast. Chicken and eggs. Never had cat soup before. Let's try it. Mmm. That's my new favorite. That is really good. And I ate a lot of it, but that is my leftovers, which is a whole nother meal. It was so good.